Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your March love and work forecast for Libras. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Libra, this reading is for you. If you know a Libra, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share, friends, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. Subscribe, like, and share. And if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Also, friends, do make sure to watch out your soul mission, pick a card reading, soul purpose. What is your life purpose? How it is changing, where you are going. It is very important to watch that reading, especially in the time we are now. This is 2021, friends. Things are changing, and it is important that you watch that reading for your soul growth. More such readings are coming. Also, friends, make sure to watch March pick a card reading. So, yeah. And you can also buy your own personal soul purpose, soul mission reading, or why you are here, your past life readings. I do all of those in depth readings, and they are super, super accurate. So make sure to buy yours, friends. So let's see, Libras, how your March will be, the theme of March for Libras. And if you want to watch Hindi Urdu versions of these readings on the other channel, friends, Magic Vents Tarot Hindi Urdu, so catch them out there, subscribe there, join both our channels. More the love, more the better. Libras, let's see, theme of the month. Ooh, okay, some confusions, I see that. Okay, there are some choices, there are some decisions. I think March, you are confused a little. You don't know where you are going, Libras. There are some decisions coming your way. Also, I see that you are very busy. You are focused on one area of your life, like your career, or you are focused on your love and you are forgetting your career, or you are focused on your career, forgetting love. So you have to balance. This month is about life coming into balance. There is this, something is out of balance in your life right now, Libra, but in the month of March things are going to come into balance. What will happen? Theme for the month of March for Libra. Okay, Emperor, yes. I do feel, friends, you are very, very powerful this month, Libras. Your energies are very, very powerful. You are in a leadership role. Your commitment, your focus, your ambitions are super high. But I also feel you should relax and make sure to take some time to rest, relax, and not always run, run, run. Because I see you're very, very hard on yourself in the month of March, because you're super committed to your goals, to your ambitions, to your love life. My God, Libras, get a breath, take it easy, easy peasy, take a chill pill. Also, I feel like you will have some confusions or some decisions coming up, and you might as a leader, you will decide, when I see Libra, I see a leader in them this month. I see you taking charge, making important changes, important decisions. Even if you do not like a decision, you are going to take it because you know it works for you in the long term. So you are in charge. In fact, you are a little hard on yourself, Libras, this month. Like, you are workaholics, you are working too much, you are achieving too much, super achievers, super workaholics. So take a break, take a chill pill. Oh my God, what is the confusion about for Libras? Let's see that. Four of Pentacles. To open up or not to open up, to be emotional or not to be emotional, to invest money, not to invest money, to sit back or to work more. Lots of confusions, Libras, lots of confusions. Basically, I see that your focus is mostly on work, on achievements, on being powerful. You are also attracting very powerful people towards you, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius people, or someone who is a leader, someone who is a visionary, someone who is quite powerful. You are attracting such people in love, but you don't know, should you date them or should you not, should you say yes to them or not. So yes, Libras, the question for you in March is, how much will you work? Should you invest in love, or should you just invest in love? Should you work? Should you do both? Should you spend time with family? Should you listen? There is like Also, work from home might be difficult for you, and it seems like most of us are going back to work to home. It is frustrating, so it might give you some frustrations. So you'd have to be patient, friends. Libras, be patient, be calm, be gentle with yourself. Let's see your love life, Libras. Who is coming towards Libras in the month of March? Okay, let me just pick that up. Who is coming towards Libras in the month of March? Wow, Queen of Swords and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, someone very powerful. Nine of Swords, someone with a lot of energy, someone who is very lucky, someone very fortunate. Let me just pick that card. So the card that flew out was this, the Seven of Swords. So I feel someone who is coming towards you is very lucky, someone very fortunate, someone uh, who is like, someone you spent a lot of good times with, or you are going to spend a lot of good times, happy times with this person. This person is brought to you by destiny. This person could be a leader, they could be someone who you meet online, they could be in a long distance relationship with you. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Libras, I feel like you or this person could be suffering from anxiety, or they just don't sleep well, or they are very busy, or something in happened between you and this person which caused you sleepless nights in the past. Trust issues, Seven of Swords. Yeah, this person you may have met, this person may have ghosted you in the past or even right now. So yeah, somebody from the past is coming back, Libras. Someone who keeps coming in and out of your life, someone who is a bit of a uh, not a player, but someone who is like, maybe they are in long distance and in no contact with you, so they're gonna come again, talk to you. I feel this person is also quite like you. They are also a workaholic, they are also in your similar energy, like you also work all time, committed to your goals. They are also similar like that. So, but I feel this is a destined move. This is something fated that's coming your way. This is somebody from your past, or currently you know them, or you may meet them through online social media, but you might have trouble trusting this person. Libras, you don't trust them. They are, you find them a little too cute. Like they are too cute for their own good. And this person, I feel like you have spent some very happy days with this person, or you are going to spend some very happy times in the future with this person in March. So I do see somebody is coming who's very powerful, someone from your past, and someone with a lot of energy, a lot of, very expressive, very communicative, and someone very lucky, someone very destined for you. Let's see how your love life will be in the month of. Oh my god, your cards are really flying. I don't know what's happening. Okay, Page of Cups, proposals, Nine of Cups. Yeah, meeting this person through some friends. Ace of Cups, a new start. Oh my god. Libras. Oh my god, you have a choice here, Libras. Look at that. All the queens are dropping on their knees for you. What's going on? Libras, you are the super charmer this month. The Queen of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands. Everybody wants you. What's going on, Libra? Everybody wants you, but I think you're gonna trick them all and focus on your work because I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but like, let's clarify. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles. Clarify the Queen of Wands. All right, and clarify the Page of Cups. Clarify the Ace of Cups. All right. Yeah, so definitely there are two people, Libras, coming your way. In fact, everybody wants you, Libra. You are like the supernova of love. You are attracting love from all directions. And yes, I do feel a lot of people are coming, but I think you are the trickster here, because you're gonna trick them all and like focus on your work, not caring at all who is coming and who is going. You are, you are the charmer. You are really charming people. You are Mida's touch in love. So I do see you have choices in love this month. Someone is coming, someone is going to propose you. Could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, girl, person, woman, man. I do feel that this person and you have a past, you have known them in the past. I do feel you will have happy times getting to know many people, meeting them. Even your past person, you will meet them, talk with them. I also feel someone's birthday is coming, so you might take them out or they might take you out. I see that someone who walked away from you, Libra, they will be offering you a new start. So new start is coming. Someone who left you, there is a new start. I don't know if you will take it or not, but there is a new start. Maybe you will choose the new person with this, or you may choose the old person, but there is a choice. There is definitely a choice. There is definitely overflowing love. There is a lot of attachment here, a lot of emotional bonding here. And Queen of Pentacles, there has been a very harsh ending with somebody who was not open. There's someone, this earth sign person, they were very slow, Libra, to come towards you, or there were some family culture issues, so you guys had a terrible breakup with this person. I don't know if you will accept them, yeah, but there is a very strong chance they are coming back with a lot of love for you, Libras. You also feel same way, but there is also another person, Aries, Leo, Sag person that's coming for you, and you may, and this person, Aries, Leo, Sag, they are completely focused on you. They won't give up on you, Libras. They're gonna be with you. They're gonna win you, because this girl likes to win. This woman, this man likes to win. So my God, Libras, I don't know what you up to. I don't know who you will choose. Choose the past, the new. But you got a lot of love coming, overflowing. Your heart is overflowing with love for the past person, for the new person. Because Libra, oh my God, you love people, don't you? I know Libras love people. Even I love Libras. They are very charming. They are very, very beautiful people. Look at that. Six of Swords. Yes. Things getting better. So your love life is definitely picking up pace. Knight of Swords. Quickly. Very, very quickly. This month will go by very quickly for you, Libras. I don't know whom you will choose, whom you will know or decide on, but ultimately, love is coming even before March begins, I feel like, and something is very destined. So, you are the charmer, Libras. Let's see your advice, then work and career. Let's see that now. Advice for Libras for their love life. Wisdom, yeah, you have to be a little mature in which person you will choose. You have to be the emperor in choosing which one or which person to choose or whom you want to open up. Some choices, yes. Throat chakra, yes. Important communications. I feel you will end up with the person whom you are very comfortable in expressing with, or someone who is very comfortable in talking, sharing. Maybe an air sign person, probably. And 5-5, the energy of change, light, number 19. I feel something very destined is happening for you. Very, very destined. This is a destined connection, a destined relationship, and you guys are meant to meet or reconnect at this point of time. And it's important because something needs to happen, develop, and light. Something important is happening in your love life. So don't close off, Libras. Keep your eyes open because some spiritual transformations are happening. Rest and rejuvenate. Four of Swords. Yeah, I do feel don't be too quick in making decisions in your love life this month, Libras. Take your time, don't rush things. And because there are choices, there is a lot happening which you don't know or probably will know about it as the month goes on. So, yeah, take your time. Let's see your work and career, Libras. Let's see that. In the month of March, their work, Libras, new beginning. So yeah, you are busy planning, you are busy with a new start in your career, you are busy with a new start in your job, or you are going for interviews or giving exams for something new. Awareness, again a new start. So your planning will actually reach towards success. You will actually achieve a lot of power. I also see fame coming your way, Libras, in this month. You are very sure of what you want. Your confidence levels are high. How you dress up, how you behave, everything you know, and you are very, very on point, in your career. Like if you are going for a job, you know how to dress. You will have that instinct. You will have that knowledge, what to do, what to say, what not to say. So listen to your intuition. Balance 1111. My God, that's huge. Your work is very important this month. Your career is taking wings. You are being really taking flights this month. And I see you are very busy this month. So make sure to rest and relax. Even if you are a student, listen to your intuition. You know the exams or the important topics, so prepare well because you're gonna win. I see you winning. 0 1 1, so 11 11. You are going to win, friends, Libras. Again a one. Oh my God, this is insane. Oh my God, I can't even pick up with so much energy now. Okay, let's take a deep breath. Base chakra, your self confidence is super high, friends. Something good is going to happen. I do see that it might be a work that gets you scared or it may challenge you, but I think Libras, you can do it. If anybody can do it, this is you. You know, your self confidence, your ego is gonna get a boost out of the career success you get in the month of March. Temptation, yes. You are a workaholic, Libras. Trust me, and you are so lucky that you will be tempted to try your luck at casinos, at bars. You will be like, I will do much more, you know. I'll do much more because I'm getting so lucky, so you might get carried away. And here is the card of balance right in the theme. On the top of your month is balance. So if you are not balanced, you are working too much, you are ignoring your health, not eating proper, not resting, or spending too much, or being too ambitious, or being too rash, it won't go your way because you are in a very powerful energy. So Libras, make full use of this energy, but also be balanced, also be a leader, also be take care of your health. Also don't be too stupid. If you are like, don't be too rash, too impulsive. No, don't do that. Especially if you are a student, you may feel like, oh, I've studied everything, I don't need to study now. No, 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 no. You need to study because you know, are you being honest with yourself? That's important. Let's see what else will happen for Libras. Okay, my God, your cards are really jumping out. No wonder you have so many 11 11. A twin flame is connection is very important to you. Gavel involvement with the law. So yeah, you may be, getting a degree, getting a promotion, or some court cases are finalized in your favor. Vulture, I think you are so energized this month that you may actually face some depression, anxiety, or sleeplessness. So be rest also. Rooster, an arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. Yeah, someone is behaving stupidly. Sun, your sun, happiness and well-being. Sun is shining on you. Tower, solid foundation, success with effort. Money path, yeah, money is coming your way. Lots of money. A path with money is waiting for you to open. February is important. Someone born in February, something might be happening right now also, which is important. But if its solution will happen, or in the month of March, December, someone born in December is important. Anything else for Libra? April is important. Someone born in April, news of a birth or new business opportunity. So, yeah, someone could be in the family having a childbirth. You could be having a childbirth, or a new business idea, a new job, or maybe a new relationship. It is destined for you. So, that's it, Libra. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Mystic C saying bye for now.